how to calculate volume of a sphere. The formula for volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So volume of a sphere, we are going to do it. That is, we'll use functions in this program. So first line, always we have to write import java.util.asterisk class volume. Here I have written, made the name of the class as vol. Then I made one function because it will return double type of value, because pi value is a double. So it will return double type of value. Name of the function is volume and the parameter which we are passing is r. That is also double type. We will begin the function with open curly bracket. Then we have one more variable I have declared as double type. Why? Because we will store the volume of a sphere in this. So the formula I have written 4 by 3 into pi into r. And we will return whatever we calculate in the function, we will return from where the function has been invoked or called. After that we will write main method. We will declare one variable in which we will take the value of the radius, that is also double type. Then we will write scanner. Through scanner we have to input the value from the user, that is enter r. We will input r, next double, because our value is a double. Now we create object of a class. How to create object of a class? Name of the class, object name, it can be any. And new is a keyword which creates object of a class. And then again volume bracket open and close. This is a method of creating object of a class. Now why we are creating object of a class? So that we can call function. We have to invoke the function or call the function. Then we have written double g is equals to one variable. Again I have declared of g type. Double type g, in which we will invoke the function. This is the function call statement. When compiler will see this statement, what will happen? It will jump to the function volume. R value will be transferred to this R. It can be same variable or different variable. It will do the calculation and give the result in g. Any variable you can take of double type. Now what we have calculated, we have to print on the screen. So we have written volume of a sphere is equals to, and where the volume is stored in the variable, that variable we are going to print. So this was the complete program where we are printing volume of a sphere through function.